Ready for breakfast. You gotta get up there. Gotta run. Good job. Alright, first things first, gotta clean the garage, huh? So let's get to it. Ta-da, like movie magic, it's all clean. Miss Deuce took care of it. And before we work on the Runaway, we have to work on Shiny Car. It's a 2019 Nissan Sentra Nismo. I'm doing oil change and O2 sensor change. Alright, let's levitate this car. Alright, now we say the magic words. Abracadooce. Ta-da! Up it goes. Alright, now we gotta check it. Make sure it's all stable. Alright, now we got the car levitated. Let's go under it. You ready to help? Get stuff under there. Do it old school. Don't need no creeper. Just a doggo and a drain pan. Ain't it? Doggo and a drain pan. Let's do this. Go. Grab the oil filter once that's drained enough. Draining oil, huh, Miss Deuce? Grab the oil filter off. There we go. Little warm. Little warm. A little dab of oil on the O-ring. Make sure it's the same as the other O-ring. Make sure the O-ring's not stuck on there. All that happy horse shit. Oh, YouTube. All that happy stuff. Clean off our surfaces. Reapply. And hand tight for an oil filter. Or otherwise you'll never get it back off. Probably good enough for what we need. Seal her back up. Move our oil. Clean our mess. Tighten our things down. Click. Click. Good and tight. Ta-da! Alright, Miss Deuce, you want to put the oil in? Come on. Come here. Let me put the oil in. You gotta stand right here, okay? Can you do it? Can you stand there? You got it? Good job. Alright, let's make sure it's the right flavor. What do we got? 020, that's it. Alright, now that we're done with the little shiny car, we gotta do Runaway. All good to go. You ready? Or take lunch? Let's take lunch. Some lunch tacos with Miss Deuce. Alright, shiny car's in its spot. Let's get out Runaway. It's right around there somewhere. And see how tight this is. Let's see how tight this guy is. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. That one's only a little bit warm. Click. That'll do. Get up on there right. goes. Oh, the strap wrench came undone. Annoying. But let me see if I got it loose enough. Yep, there it goes. Slowly but surely. There we be. Coming over now. Old to new. Make sure gaskets line up. Yep, we'll wet that gasket some more and back up in the hole it goes. Let's wipe our surfaces down. Looks good now. Let's get you in there, right through here. There we go. Get you spinning the right way. Of course. There we go. This one has forever to spin. And just like with tiny car, hand tighten or you'll never get it back off. Alright, let's add oil to her. Alright, let's top her off with the oil. Right flavor, yep, 1030 should work. What's the cap say? Engine oil, good enough for me. Nice. It's a little chilly out here today. Alright, last quart. Let's see. Start up. Buzz, buzz, buzz. No little crazy little lights. Give it a second. Shut her down. And we'll check the oil again. There, stay there, don't move. Get in your home. And there we are. Good to go. Alright, let's park this thing, Captain Deuce. Good to go? Alright, good job. And there you have it. A day of oil changes for Runaway and Shiny Car.